so happy day. I got in the mail today my summer mystery box from my little nitty. So I'm gonna pop this bad boy open here in just a second and we'll see what goodies are inside. She always makes the best boxes. I love them. So let's take a look.
All right, let's see what we've got. So it's not quite summer yet, but this is the summer mystery box from my local yarn shop, A Little Nitty. Ooh, these are so cute. Little mini skeins. I love these colors. They're so bright and, oh well, summery. 75-25 superwash merino nylon fingering. Watermelon sugar, driftwood, summer sunset, peach bellini, and pool party. These are so cute. Now, confession, I've never actually used little minis, but I will have to think of something awesome to make these with. To make with these. That is the right word. Okay, so this is looking more orange right here, just probably because of the background, but it's actually like this really pretty peachy orange. Okay, I love those colors. Those are so pretty. Okay, let's see what else we got. She always includes little goodies. I just totally destroyed that, but hey, whatever. I rescue yarn from being held hostage at A Little Nitty. I'm not a hoarder, I'm a hero. It's a cute keychain. A Little Nitty. Stitch markers in a cute little case. That's cute. Ooh, and tapestry needles. Can never have too many of those. I love it. It's almost like a little pill bottle. But it's cute and it closes securely, so those things are not going anywhere. So that's cool. Extra padding to ensure it arrives in one piece. So now I'm curious. Ooh, it's a straw. It's a pineapple. That's cute. My kids are totally going to steal this from me. And then I will not have it anymore. But that's cute. Little mason jar lid. Totally summery. Make myself an Italian soda in there. Or a smoothie. Pineapple. Alright. Refreshing lime iced tea. Ah! Man, I am all about ripping the things today. Whatever. Rip it away. So much for their cute little case. Lime iced tea. Okay, so that's cute. I have a confession that I don't actually like tea or iced tea, so I'm going to send that to my sister and she can enjoy that. I bet it's delicious if you like tea. Okay, so that is my mystery box this season. So she does one for each season. This one's summer. I'm already looking forward to fall. She started doing these because of the pandemic, and I just love them. I think they're super cute, and I love that she supports local dyers, so that is awesome. Happy crocheting.